Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another unboxing video for you guys, but this time it's a little bit different. It's in this cute little pink box, so I can't wait to open it. I'm like, I wonder who sent this to me. It is a top. Okay, wait, I'm gonna show you guys what this is first. So it's a t-shirt. Look at it, it's really, really cute. But the weird thing is this looks like a stain, right? Why is someone gonna send me like a stained t-shirt? Inside, okay. So there is like Vanish over here, and there's this little card. Trust pink, forget hot. So half a scoop in cold water. I guess I'm gonna use this to see if I can get rid of this stain. So this is my laundry. So we're gonna test out if this Vanish stain remover actually works. My mom loves Vanish. So mom, if you're watching, I think you'll be happy. Let me open this up. I don't know about this stain here, but I feel like it's actually coming off, guys. My t-shirt gonna look cute, and I can't wait to wear this. I got my new top on. Do we love it? It's cute, right? I can't believe like the stain is completely gone, and I feel like it was never even there in the first place. Thank you so much, Vanish. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys really, really soon. Bye.